Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by warming 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a cup of hot water. Massage your scalp 5 minutes using gentle circular motions and fingertip pressure. Focus on the roots where hair sheds most and on the crown area. Leave the oil on your scalp for at least 30 minutes before washing with a mild shampoo. Repeat this oil massage twice weekly to improve circulation and reduce dryness. This routine supports hair strength and calmer scalp conditions when done consistently over time. Prepare an apple cider vinegar rinse by mixing 2 teaspoons with 1 cup of water. After shampooing, pour the diluted rinse over your scalp and let it sit 2 minutes before rinsing. For protein support, mix 1 egg with 2 tablespoons plain yogurt and apply as a mask. Leave that mask on for 20 minutes, then rinse with cool water to seal the hair cuticle. Apply pure aloe gel directly on irritated patches and leave for 10 minutes to soothe inflammation and hydrate the scalp. Support hair health with a diet rich in protein, iron, and zinc every day. Aim for servings such as 100 grams of salmon and a cup of cooked spinach per meal. Avoid very hot showers and rinse hair with lukewarm water to prevent scalp dryness. Brush gently from ends to roots and limit heat styling to reduce breakage. Continue your chosen natural treatments twice weekly and track progress for 6 to 8 weeks to evaluate reduced shedding and clearer scalp health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.